Yo, what up YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys right now. So let's move the keyboard out the way. Let's move the mouse out the way. And let's bring the package in front of us, okay? So just for you guys, is your boy GM. All right, doing this video for you guys right now. Getting ready to do this unboxing for you guys, so you already know the deal. So let's get to the unboxing. So, and no further ado, you already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So, there you go. I ain't need the bat knife, but hey, it's part of the unboxing, right? So, here it is right here. Put this out the way. Put that out the way. So this is basically the V2 version of the original fans that I originally had. So as you can see right here, you can see where it says right here, version 2, black fans, ARGB, PWN, infinity mirror. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna show you right now. So here it is right here. As you can see right here, this is the original one right here, as you can see. Now this is supposed to be, I think, the reversible ones. Yeah, this is reverse, and as you can see, the standard. So as you can see right here, so it's a different airflow, as you can see on top of it. So let's unbox this thing. I do like the new box they put on here. I do like it. More colors pop. Yeah, I mean, it does look good. I'm not gonna cap. Let's get to this thing. Bat knife. There we go. Some of y'all be asking me about the knife. The reason why I say it like this, got that part, then you got that part right there. As you can see, the double blade, something that Batman would actually use right there. So yeah. So let's close that up. Okay. So let's look at the cords. Okay. Okay, this one's actually different. It's bigger. Still got the 5-volt 3-pin. Okay. Always get 2 in a pack. So here's the actual fans. Get the standard screws. Okay. Okay. So these look a little, yeah, these is actually a little bit different. You got more of the line like this coming around. You got that, the connection. So yeah, this one is actually different compared towards the other one. I'm gonna show you again. Okay. So as you can see with the picture on this one is like stops, then it's that one, then stops and go. It's like little lines in between it. This one's just a solid line that goes right between it with the infinity mirrors. You can see the lock, unlock right there. So I'm actually liking the V2s. So let's just do a fast daisy chain towards it really quick. Just look at it really fast. Okay, this goes this way. There you go. And there it goes. It's locked in like that. So this one is more for intake. Yeah, this one is more for intake. You can actually feel it. Yeah, so this is more for intake right there. The other ones is outtake, which is exhaust. So this is basically to take the air and blow it up into the case. When towards this one right here is basically to take the air and blow it out of the case. So if you got a AIO, a 360, stuff like that, or whatever, what is it, 240, or you just mounting it directly on the case, basically it's going to take the heat that's inside of the PC and throw it out, which is exhale, exhaust. These is basically an intake, so basically it's going to take the air that's coming from outside the case and suck the air into the case, give you that fresh air into the case, and basically it's going to exhaust. This is intakes. These is outtakes, which is exhaust. So yeah, guys. So I'm going to install this in my PC, and I'll give you guys an update on how everything is. Yeah, I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DYEZ gang, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.